Everyone, and I welcome back to each and everyone to the phenomenal session. And if you have not watched the phenomenal session of mathematics, that means the important question, the hot question, the sure shot question, the expected question, and yes, the guarantee as well as the confirmed question which will be coming in the semester 1. Yes, I can say, I can even assure you people that it will the questions which I will be letting you do here, or the topics which I will be saying, and the topics which I have said in the mathematics. So please go to all those chapters, go to all those topics, and it's gonna play a vital role for your people. And if you have not watched the mathematics video, the link has been given in the I button as well as the description box. Never forget to watch those videos. And also, before starting this particular lecture, before starting this session, I'm gonna say that the last 2 minutes, yes, everything I will be discussing over here, but the last 2 minutes, again, it will be one of the tremendous, one of the tremendous minutes for your people, I can assure you again. So without making delay, let's the best strategy, the important topics, the hot topics, the probable from that particular topics only the question has been coming. And this is not something drama over here. Whatever I have been saying or whatever I will be saying, I have done a complete homework as well as research. Without a homework, without a research, no one can say that. So I have done a complete research, complete strategy, complete verification regarding it, so that, and I hope the session is very interesting. I am very excited to this session. So let's begin with the session. As you know very well that today is the 16th of November. So I am recording the video in a midnight. Today is 16th of November. It is going to be published on 17th of November. Ignore that. So today is the 16th of November. Only 10 days left for your semester 1. 10 or 12 days left. And the most important again, that in case of physics, there is having not a single gap. That means you people will be coming from 12:30 to 1 o'clock, and you will be reaching in your home to 11 baje se 12 12:30 baje tak chalega. Dramas and all the exam people will be gaming, and you will be reaching by latest 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock. And after that you will be having only 10 days left, 10 hours left for your examination. So the topics which I will be saying, from the topics only the question will be coming, and I am pretty confirmed. My dear most children. So let's the best strategy gets begin. And as you know, the very first chapter, that is all about a force, and in the force there is having not a single reduction. The question which will be coming from the force, that is the type of force. You have to go to the type of force. The type of force is all about rational, rotational force, and the linear force, or you can say the translational force, the types of force, and which the types of force ka example bhi karna hai. Then after CGS and SI unit of tau means a torque, CGS and SI unit of torque, a very important part. And you have to go to the definition and formula. They will be also asking the definition and formula. Then after moment of force, examples. My beautiful children, do not watch the lecture in this way. For more details, you have to note it down in a pen and pencil. You have to look after, you have to sit after the books, and you have to just go on marking, and you have to keep the notebooks as well as pen ready, right? So the moment of force with examples. Moment of force hota kya hai? Definition. Then after you have to look after the examples. Couple definition. Couple is some type of something, some topics is all about a couple. वहाँ से question बनता है, हर एक साल वहाँ से question बनता है. Go in anywhere like 2017, 2016, 2019, 2020, wherever you go, but you will see the couple से question बनता है, definition बनता है, and many more. And again, I am talking about, if you don't want to see this all, if you want to keep 40 out of 40, if you want to keep 35 above, my first priority I always give, and I always says in every video, and today also I am saying, that is fill in the blanks. You can, those who are old to this platform, they understand that is exercise question is everything. If you are new to this platform, again I am saying exercise question. If you are following all the exercise question, if you are doing a lots of numericals, random examples, 40 se 40 confirm, because this type of question is gonna play a vital role. This type of questions, this year the question will be a very easy for your people. Very easy question will be, and you people can secure 40 out of 40 if you will complete all the exercise question of Concise and Selina. If you are following Concise is well and better. If you are following together with, then also well and better. But I would like to recommend, if you are following any other book, but please you have to go through the exercise question of Concise, because Concise is a Bible. I myself think that, right? Couple, whatever the topics I have been taking out, whatever the topics I will be talking in front of you all, दैट इज द ट्रेंडिंग क्वेश्चन, दैट इज द ट्रेंडिंग टॉपिक्स, एंड वहीं से ही क्वेश्चन आया, बिकॉज not a single question gonna beat from here. I challenge people, I challenge, you will be coming from the flying colors from the examination hall, and whenever you will be coming from the flying color, definitely people will be remembering me. And sir, one of the sir was there from All Is Yours ICSE, he was saying this type of question, and definitely the question is copy paste. I have not seen, you might be thinking, you sir, how can you become so sure that a question will be coming, because यही तो सब टॉपिक है, यहाँ से ही तो आएगा. If you will ignore this topic from here, the question gonna come. The question is going to come from here because it has been trending every year. The question generally comes from here. So let's start. Moment of force example, you have to go ahead. Couple, as I said before, couple explanation, equilibrium. There are two types of equilibrium: dynamic, static. Dynamic किसे बोलते हैं? Static equilibrium किसे बोलते हैं? You don't have time to go on reading randomly. To go on reading, no. To go on reading bit to bit, no. Whatever I am saying, if you people will do by closing the eyes, I challenge people, because everything is authentic over here, and I challenge you people can keep 40 out of 40. Yes, you can keep 40 out of 40, because if see whatever the topics I have taken out, not a single thing we're gonna omit it, because whatever the topic is a trending topic, I can only say, right? So equilibrium, types of equilibrium, static equilibrium, dynamic equilibrium, very important, and you have to go and you have to read randomly all the definitions, a little bit you have to give the examples, you have to learn, you have to just memorize 4 to 5 examples, and it may play a key role. Center of gravity में क्या क्या आता? For example, center of gravity, this is all about a cylinder. Where should be the center? The center should be here, right? If suppose this is a circle, where should be the center? The center should be here. The center of gravity also will play a vital role. And this type of trending question, this is the trending topics: centripetal and centrifugal force. In the force, whatever I have said, it will be coming, but ये वाला hot question guarantee मतलब रख लो. That means 2 mark I have given you simply. Out of 40, 2 mark you have kept. 2 mark you have kept. चलो लिख लेते हैं यहाँ पर. 2 mark तुम्हारे पॉकेट के अंदर, 40 से 2 mark पॉकेट के अंदर. That means the distinguish between centripetal force and centrifugal force. Which one is real force? Which one is not real force? Which one is fictitious force? Which one is not fictitious force? Definition of centripetal centrifugal force is very very important. And for more details, please do lots of क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम एक्सरसाइज. इफ यू आर फॉलोइंग कॉन्साइंस, एक्सरसाइज ए और बी और सी तीनों सब्जेक्ट लगाओ, तीनों एक्सरसाइज लगाओ, वहां से क्वेश्चन बनेगा ही बनेगा गारंटी, राइट? सो 2 मार्क इज इन योर पॉकेट विच आई सेड, एंड कपल से 1 मार्क को पॉकेट में, 3 मार्क तुम्हारे पॉकेट के अंदर घुस गया. दैट मीन्स फ्रॉम 40 मार्क्स 3 मार्क आई हैव सेड, दैट इज अ कपल 1 मार्क, एज वेल एज सेंट्रिपेटल सेंट्रिफ्यूगल फोर्स 1 मार्क, 2 मार्क्स, 3 मार्क्स इज इन योर पॉकेट. यहां से भी क्वेश्चन बनेगा. कमिंग टू द वर्क पावर एंड एनर्जी, इन वर्क पावर एंड एनर्जी you might have seen, if cos theta equals to 1, तो क्या होगा? वर्क डन इज पॉजिटिव, वर्क डन इज नेगेटिव, वर्क डन इज 0. सो यू नो बेटर, आई डोंट वांट टू से मच. cos 90 डिग्री वर्क डन इज 0 होगा. अगर cos 90 डिग्री बन जाता है तो वर्क डन इज 0. cos 180 डिग्री बन, इफ द cos is 180 डिग्री, देन इट इज ऑल अबाउट a -1, राइट? एंड अगेन आई एम गोना टॉक अबाउट, अगेन 3 मार्क पॉकेट के अंदर हो गया था बेटा. कौन सा 3 मार्क? दैट इज ऑल अबाउट सेंट्रिपिटल फॉर 2 marks. फ्रॉम दैट 2 mark क्वेश्चन gonna come, and moment of force, that also will be coming, but these are the direct question you will be getting. And from yes people, again you will be getting the direct question from work, power and energy, that is a CGS unit, SGS unit. My dear children, CGS unit, SGS unit, just close your eyes and learn it. CGS unit and SGS unit, because you have no time enough within your hand. Only and only 10 days left. My dear children, only 10 days left within yourself. Just go, and in 10 days, what you can do, no one can others. जो तुम कर सकते हो कोई नहीं कर सकता. 10 दिन में बहुत कुछ हो सकता है, बहुत कुछ. Yet also there are having many students, those who have not started their preparation, again they will be starting, or they have started their preparation, they will be coming top in their classes, which I am one of them, because in my 10th grade also I was one of the disturbing element, right? You know, and I don't want to say much about myself, only cricket and me. Unit of work and power and energy, that only the thing you need to memorize, that is 2.6, 2.7, 2.8. 2.6, that means if you will be following Concise book, 2.6 निकाल दोगे, 2.7 निकालोगे, 2.8 निकालोगे, वहां से हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते, because everything starting with kV, kW, kilowatt, megawatt, kilojoule, megajoule, everything you have to keep it. 1 HP equals to 764 watt or 746 watt. कमेंट करके बताना that after what is a kilowatt, 1 HP क्या होता है, electrovolt क्या होता है, then more anything is there. Let me see little bit. anyway, so this is all about. And what more left? CGS unit of power का जूल कब बनता है, जूल का for work done, power का power is having two formulas. If I'm not wrong, power is two formula, work done by time something like that. वहाँ से क्वेश्चन बन सकता है भी, नहीं बन सकता, वहाँ से न्यूमेरिकल नहीं बनेगा, बट डेफिनेटली द क्वेश्चन विल बी कमिंग. मेगा जूल, किलो जूल, कितना पावर होता है, व्हाट 1 HP इक्वल्स टू डैश, स्पेसिमेन भी दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन हैज कम, राइट. 1 इलेक्ट्रोवोल्ट, 1 हॉर्स पावर इक्वल्स टू what, you know, how many kilowatt hour, kilowatt joule, this type of problem gonna come. प्रॉब्लम ऑफ काइनेटिक एनर्जी, पोटेंशियल एनर्जी, रेशियो वाला प्रॉब्लम बहुत कुछ किया हो गया. देखो बच्चों, बहुत डाउट होता है, द रेशियो ऑफ काइनेटिक एनर्जी, द रेशियो ऑफ पोटेंशियल एनर्जी, सपोज 3:2 होता है, राइट. सपोज फॉर एन एग्जांपल आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट 3:2, उसका आंसर रिवर्सिबल हो जाता है. बहुत सारे बच्चों का रिवर्स हो जाता है 2:3, राइट. द काइनेटिक एनर्जी, पोटेंशियल एनर्जी का क्वेश्चन टमकेगा. एज आई सेड बिफोर, इन द फोर्स 3 मार्क यू हैव केप्ट इन द पॉकेट. अगेन आई सेड इन द वर्क, पावर एंड एनर्जी, CGS यूनिट, वहां से भी एक या 2 मार्क तुम्हारे पॉकेट के अंदर घुस गया बेटा. एंड गारंटी क्वेश्चन यू विल बी गेटिंग फ्रॉम काइनेटिक एनर्जी, गारंटी क्वेश्चन यू विल गेटिंग फ्रॉम numericals of kinetic energy, numericals of potential energy. That means the ratio of kinetic energy as well as potential energy. My dear children, do not ignore this part. It's very 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 important and it will be coming in the examination. I guarantee children, it will be coming in the examination hall. अगर नहीं है तो comment करके बताना, sir you are fake, but I am not fake. I come with an authentic news. Chalo, let's start. Problem, kinetic energy, potential energy ratio, as well as and this type of question may also come, but I am not sure this type of will be coming, but definitely ratio वाला पूछा जाएगा. अगर ratio वाला पूछा ना गया हो तो ये पूछा जाएगा. काइनेटिक एनर्जी, पोटेंशियल, मास डबल, वेलोसिटी रिड्यूस. मास डबल हो जाएगा, वेलोसिटी रिड्यूस हो जाएगा, हाफ mv स्क्वायर. काइनेटिक एनर्जी हाफ mv स्क्वायर mgh. देन आफ्टर मास हो गया डबल 2m, वेलोसिटी रिड्यूस हो जाएगा. दिस टाइप प्रॉब्लम विल बी कमिंग इन द एग्जामिनेशन. यू हैव टू डू अ रैंडम प्रैक्टिस. इफ यू आर फॉलोइंग Concise, there are having many examples, many numerical examples. You can go ahead and yes, you can scroll this also. if इसको पढ़ लिए, तुम्हारा इनडायरेक्टली तुम्हारा एक्सरसाइज हो गया. अगर एक्सरसाइज पढ़ ले, इनडायरेक्टली दिस ऑल आल्सो कंप्लीटेड. द चॉइस इज योर्स, व्हाट यू गोना डू. चलो, types of kinetic energy, 3 types of kinetic energy, and also you have to give the examples. Conversion of energy, my dear students, as I said before, centripetal centrifugal force, the way it is important, the CGS unit, SI unit of work, power and energy. In the same way it is important conversion of force. What is the conversion of energy? Conversion of energy matlab in the specimen it came like, you know, loudspeaker and all, but in this way what is gonna come? Loudspeaker कब होता है, डायनामो मोटर कब होता है, फ्रॉम डायनामो कौन सा एनर्जी से कौन सा एनर्जी बनता है, मोटर कौन सा एनर्जी से कौन सा एनर्जी बनता है, लाउड स्पीकर कौन सा एनर्जी से कौन सा एनर्जी बनता है, माइक्रोफोन कौन सा एनर्जी से कौन सा एनर्जी बनता है. बताओ. माइक्रोफोन मैनी आर देयर. सर माइक्रोफोन इज ऑल अबाउट इलेक्ट्रिकल टू साउंड. You are wrong. Microphone is sound to electrical. This type of problem generally you people does wrong. So please, my dear children, if you are following Concise 2.3, the table 2.3 is a Bible. If you are following new edition book, page number 35 निकाल दो. If you are following old edition book, page number 33. चलो, box of pendulum, again one of the highlighted question. Box of pendulum, 1 mark. Again, if you are following last पे रुका करो, last 2 minutes it's gonna disaster. Let's start. Generally 2 chapters has been over. Coming to the 3rd chapter, simple machine. Generally every sample paper you will be finding the simple normal question, that is ma equals to load by effort. Similarly vice versa, velocity ratio is effort by load. बात खत्म. अच्छा, and you have to read in case of simple machine, that is if ma is less than 1, ma is greater than 1, ma is equals to 1. if ma is less than 1, फोर्स मल्टीप्लायर होता है कि गेन इन स्पीड होता है, और नीदर फोर्स मल्टीप्लायर और गेन इन स्पीड. यू हैव टू लुक आफ्टर दैट. सिमिलरली इन केस ऑफ वेलोसिटी रेशियो द सेम. व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ वेलोसिटी रेशियो? द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ वेलोसिटी रेशियो इज formula velocity ratio is load by effort, right? VR equals to E by L, and also for more details you can find it out. VI is greater than 1, velocity ratio VR is greater than 1, VR is less than 1, VR is equals to 1. कब होता है first multiplier, gain in speed as well as वो सब very important question gonna come. Efficiency, coming to the efficiency it is calculated with the help of percentage. It is calculated with the help of percentage. उसका formula क्या होता है? Work done, input output, you know better and you can do it by your own. And actual machine, simple machine. Idle machine, actual machine का बहुत important. What theorem? WET, something I have written. WET I have written, yeah, formula of WET, yeah, I remembered. So work, power and energy, and formula of WET, work energy theorem. Work energy theorem, my dearest people, please go ahead. And in case of pulley, I don't think something is very important in the case of pulley. Important पढ़ भी लिया करो अगर important पढ़ मतलब I don't think many in case of pulley, but you can read. But in case of chapter number 4, refraction of a plane surface, my dearest people, refraction of plane surface, you have to read all the exercise. My people, you have to read all the exercise questions. People, please, it's a request from my side. Please, you have to read all the exercise questions. All the exercise question gonna play vital role. Exercise question पढ़ लो, refraction खत्म. कोई भी question, because you don't have much time within your hand. You have no time. Coming to the question, critical angle से 2 मार्क का क्वेश्चन चमकेगा, टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन से भी 2 मार्क का क्वेश्चन चमकेगा, इनमें से एक क्वेश्चन चमकेगा. That is, and the question is very hot question. Generally, it comes in every CBSE, ICSE every year, every board exam that is come. That is रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स वाला क्वेश्चन. रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ मीडियम, रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ डायमंड कितना होता है? 2.41 और 2.42, दो में से जो लेगा वो ठीक होगा. सपोज द रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ डायमंड इज 2.42, फाइंड द रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ मीडियम 2. कितना होगा? दैट मीन्स स्पीड ऑफ द लाइट इन एयर विच इज 3 × 10⁻⁹ मीटर पर सेकंड, एंड आफ्टर स्पीड ऑफ डायमंड 2.42, उसको डिवाइड करके वह समथिंग 1.25 ऐसे कुछ निकलेगा. ऐसे टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन गोना कम इन द एग्जामिनेशन. डेफिनेटली इट कम्स. सीबीएसई में आता है, आईसीएसई में आता है, हर एक साल वो हॉट क्वेश्चन आता है. जैसे कपल वाला, एज आई सेड बिफोर, कपल वाला हॉट क्वेश्चन आता है. सिमिलरली इन केस ऑफ व्हाट चिल्ड्रन, हाँ, रिफ्रैक्शन में ऐसे वाला क्वेश्चन आता है. क्रिटिकल एंगल में आएगा, बनेगा क्वेश्चन क्रिटिकल एंगल में, एंड मोर डिटेल्स. एंड व्हाट गोना कम, इट हियर इज द बुक. लेट मी सी लिटिल बिट. नथिंग इज देयर मोर. एवरीथिंग आई हैव सेड. And yes, exercise question you're gonna do it. Exercise question you're gonna do it, my dearest people. Please do not ignore the exercise question. Coming to the chapter number 5, lens. Lens में क्या होता है, my dear children? Lens में equiconcave हो, equiconvex हो. Please do not ignore such. Many people they ignore in case of lens. Lens में क्या ignore करते हैं? equiconcave हो, equiconvex हो. Sorry. Equiconcave, equiconvex. So the people, maximum people, they ignore this. Please do not ignore such kind of things. And what gonna come in more in case of lens? Yes, न्यूमेरिकल तो बाद में बनता है. देन आफ्टर इन केस ऑफ लेंस, हाँ, कौन सा लेंस बड़ा होगा, तो अगर मुझे दिख नहीं रहा कौन सा लेंस अगर पहनूंगा मुझे बड़ा दिखेगा. ऑब्वियसली बड़ा लेंस specimen में भी किया होगा. If you want to find the answer of the specimen, the link has been given in the I button. Go and watch it. If not, लिंक हैज बीन गिवन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स ऑल्सो. इन केस ऑफ लेंस, व्हाट मोर, लेंस का क्वेश्चन बनेगा. लेंस का क्वेश्चन बनेगा. कौन सा क्वेश्चन बनेगा? देखो, एक में होता है कन्वेक्स लेंस. इन केस ऑफ कन्वेक्स लेंस द लास्ट में होता है बच्चों. देखो लास्ट में क्या होता है? दैट इज द ऑब्जेक्ट इज द इमेज इज फाउंड बैक ऑफ बिहाइंड द इमेज इज फाउंड जनरली, जस्ट a second, the image is found back of behind the lens. The image is found behind the lens. In case of convex lens, the image is found behind the lens. Behind the lens में जो image form होता है virtual and direct, that is the important sure shot question, because every year the question come and वहाँ से ही numerical बनेगा. That means what? Every lens is important. 1 से 6 नंबर lens of convex, दो lenses of concave, everything is important. But I personally assume that convex का last वाला rule मतलब the image is found back of the lens. Image is found back of the lens, very important, that is right, and it is virtual and direct. वहाँ से ही question बनेगा. Question मतलब numerical बनेगा. M equals to 1, same size, less than 1, greater than 1. You know the tricks and all. You can apply that. And maximum students, they even know, they were not aware. That means they even think that, sir, power of lens has been deleted. Many people think that power of lens is reduced. No, power lens is not reduced, my dearest people. Power lens is not reduced. The thing is reduced, that is बड़ा न्यूमेरिकल वहां से नहीं आएगा. न्यूमेरिकल्स आएगा वहां से बच्चों, न्यूमेरिकल्स आएगा, बड़ा बड़ा नहीं आएगा. डेफिनेशन विल कम, फॉर्मूला विल कम. व्हाट इज द पावर ऑफ लेंस? अपर पावर ऑफ लेंस का ऐसा यूनिट क्या होता है? डायप्टर, राइट. डायप्टर दैट इज पावर ऑफ लेंस, मतलब पावर ऑफ लेंस. सपोज पावर ऑफ लेंस इज ऑल अबाउट जनरली 1/f cm. मीटर में होता है, क्वेश्चन देगा सीएम में. बच्चे वहीं पे गलती पूरा करते हैं, क्वेश्चन देगा सीएम में. फॉर एन एग्जांपल, द पावर ऑफ लेंस, द पावर ऑफ अ लेंस इन विच द फोकल लेंथ इज 20 सेंटीमीटर फोकल लेंथ लेते हैं, जिसमें फोकल लेंथ लेता है 20 सेंटीमीटर. निकालो कितना पावर ऑफ लेंस होता है. 20 सेंटीमीटर बच्चे होते हैं 1/20 करते हैं, मगर ये गलत होता है, बिकॉज इट इज इन अ मीटर, यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट टू सेंटीमीटर. इट इज 20/100. 20/100 0.5 d, राइट. बच्चे यहाँ पर मतलब, मगर बच्चे कैसे करते हैं वहां पर, इन दिस वे पीपल डू, बट इट इज 0.5 d. इफ इट इज 0.5 d, दैट इज ऑल अबाउट इफ अगर पावर ऑफ लेंस पॉजिटिव में होता है, नेगेटिव में होता है, कन्वेक्स करने के, यू नो बेटर, यू कैन डू इट. एंड दिस टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम गोना कम. 2 मार्क यहाँ से भी पक्का पॉकेट में अंदर डाल दो. कमिंग टू द लेंस इज ओवर. कमिंग टू द स्पेक्ट्रम. इन द केस ऑफ स्पेक्ट्रम, in case of visible light, sorry, in case of visible light, V bends the most. In case of visible light, R bend the most. V का मतलब वॉलेट डेविएट ज्यादा होता है, मोस्ट होता है, रेड डेविएट्स लीस्ट होता है. देन आफ्टर 1 nm equals to 1 angstrom. Then what is the range in that? What is the range of violet color? What is the range of red color? These are the problems gonna come in the examination. It is very sure. कहाँ then why do we keep red color back of the vehicles? These are the things you have to go ahead. And why do we keep the red color in a danger signal? Danger हम क्यों red में रखते हैं? This are the question is very gonna play a vital role, and this are question gonna come in the examination. Ultraviolet radiation बच्चों होता है क्या? Ultraviolet radiation क्या होता है? Now ultraviolet radiation is very important. You have to read it. Ultraviolet radiation who was detected? प्रोफेसर क्या? रिकेट 1801 में, if I am not a professor, रिकेट, Professor J. Rickett, something like that. 1801, I have forgotten. So lambda, what is the range in lambda? That is 100 angstrom to the 4000 angstrom. What is the uses of you know, what is the uses of what is the which index? What is the uses of ultraviolet radiation? What are the properties of ultraviolet radiation? Properties मतलब उसका कितना स्पीड में जाता है, एयर में कितना होता है, 3 × 10⁸. What is used, where it is used? It is used in case of medical facilities. Many more the question, and it is there in the book. पढ़कर जाना है, यूजेस पढ़ना है मेरे प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों. स्पेक्ट्रम से क्वेश्चन सवाल चमकेगा. आई रिपीट, स्पेक्ट्रम से सवाल चमकेगा, पढ़कर जाना है तुम्हें, राइट. कमिंग टू द इंफ्रारेड रेडिएशन. इन केस ऑफ इंफ्रारेड रेडिएशन द सेम. उसका रेंज कितना होता है, उसको कौन डिस्कवर्ड? हु हैज डिटेक्टेड दिस? विलियम हर्सेल 1800 में, 1800 विलियम हर्सेल. एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड हीज यूजेस. एंड व्हाट इज द रेंज इन एयर? 3 × 10⁸ मीटर पर सेकेंड. व्हाट इज जनरली डज ना, व्हाट इट डज ना, कुछ होता है जिंक सल्फाइड प्लेट, समथिंग आई हैव फॉरगॉटन, right. Uses, properties, many more you have to learn it, many more you have to learn uses and properties. क्वेश्चन चमकेगा, MCQ में क्वेश्चन चमकेगा, गारंटी लिख लो. Ultraviolet radiation, infrared radiation, क्वेश्चन चमकेगा, very important. Coming to the light, the definition of अच्छा, coming to the light, what is the audible range? Sorry, coming to the sound, what is the audible range? The audible range, you know, the audible range is 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. 20 hertz से अगर कम में सुनाई नहीं देता तो उसे इंफ्रासोनिक बोलते हैं. अगर 20,000 से ज़्यादा अगर होता है तो सुनाई नहीं देता, अल्ट्रासोनिक वी यूज टू से, राइट. And light wave, sound waves definition is very important. अगर you know very well, everyone knew that what is the speed of the light, 3 × 10⁸ meter per second. But what is the speed of the sound? वहाँ पर तुम फंस जाओगे. कमेंट करके बताना क्या होता है. अच्छा, and EMB, electromagnetic waves. EMW, electromagnetic waves, very important thing. You have to go ahead. And sound waves and echoes. Echoes से question बनेगा ही बनेगा, my dearest people. Echoes से question बनेगा ही बनेगा. That means from echoes you have to do it. Echoes से definition बनेगा, uses बनेगा, medicals. In case of medicals, what are the benefits, whatever the uses we do in case of medicals, in case of hospitals, right? And the formula, problems, you gonna do a formula, so you have to put it. The formula से echoes and problem numerical बनेगा. 2 मार्क का पॉकेट के अंदर, 2 मार्क का न्यूमेरिकल echo से से बनेगा ही बनेगा. प्लीज डू नॉट इग्नोर दिस एज वेल एज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. बच्चों ये भी पढ़ता नहीं है बहुत सारा. लाउडनेस का डेफिनेशन, पिच का डेफिनेशन, क्वालिटी का डेफिनेशन, यू हैव टू रीड इट. ओनली डेफिनेशन माय डियर चिल्ड्रन. वो 3 में से एक सवाल तो पूछेगा ही पूछेगा. दिस आर द थिंग्स एंड आई थिंक it is very easy for your people, and please do not ignore such point. If you want to ignore you can, but please do not ignore your access question. Access question is a bible. Example is a bible. Everything is, you know, is very important, and the most important, you don't have such time within your hand, especially you don't have time फॉर द फिजिक्स एग्जामिनेशन. 10 मिनट के अंदर तुम्हें सब कुछ करना है. 10 घंटे के अंदर, सॉरी 10 घंटे के अंदर तुम्हें सब कुछ पढ़ना है स्टार्टिंग से बॉटम. तो दिस आर द स्ट्रैटेजीज. आई होप दिस स्ट्रैटेजी इज वेरी वेरी यूजफुल फॉर योर पीपल, एंड प्लीज डू नॉट इग्नोर सच काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स, एंड इट्स गोना प्ले अ वाइटल रोल. अगर ये सब जो भी कर दिया 40 से 40 इन गोना कंफर्म मैन. 40 out of 40, no one can stop you to keep 40 out of 40. Signing off for the today, coming stronger in the next session in case of chemistry. Hope you have enjoyed the session. I enjoyed thoroughly. I hope you all have enjoyed the session. If you have enjoyed the session, please do share as much as with your friends, with your teachers, with everywhere, right? So thank you very much, and keep loving me, keep sharing such kind of videos. God bless all.